In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect GrooveKart to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down to the Shopping Cart section. Click the Add New Account button. In the form displayed, enter the account name. In the Vendor drop-down, choose GrooveKart and click Save. After the account is saved, an API URL will be generated. Copy the URL. Now log into your Groove account. In the dashboard, click on GrooveKart. In the My Stores page, click on the admin dashboard of the store you want to connect to Review Trust. On GrooveKart dashboard, on sidebar, click on Settings and click on API and Webhook. Click on the Webhooks tab. Click Add New Webhook. Enter the webhook title. Paste the API URL you copied from Review Trust. Leave the username and password empty. On the Send On action, choose New Order. Set the status active. Click Save. Now create another webhook. Enter the webhook title. This one is for Update Event. Paste the same API URL. This time on the Send On action, choose Update Order. Click Save. Now go back to Review Trust to create the product campaign. On sidebar, click on Campaign, click Create Campaign. Choose Product Campaign. Fill up the new product campaign form. In the Shopping Cart drop-down, choose GrooveKart. In the Shopping Cart account drop-down, choose the account you recently created. Continue filling up the form and save. Now you need to create a product on this campaign and connect it to the GrooveKart product. Enter the product name. Go back to the GrooveKart and open the product you wish to connect. Scroll down to the product main SKU field and copy its value. Go back to your Review Trust and paste the copied SKU in the item number field. Click Submit and you are done. Thank you for watching.